taking video?
Yeah, taking video.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi Diana.
Later, can you see Gary?
You want to see Gary?
Yeah, just now we saw Gary. Yeah, we just saw a snail.
Yes, you saw Gary. And you want to pet Gary?
No.
You don't want to pet Gary. Why?
Never.
You never.
Why? Because we're scared of Gary.
Okay.
No, we're kind of disgusted. We don't want to touch it.